So I wanted to come on here on my business page to show you guys how I was creating my baby food. I have no particular pattern of how I was creating her baby food. This is just the way I do it. I first want to say that these suction bowls are eco-friendly, and these will be a part of the collection that I will be releasing very soon. So today we're going to be making sweet potato, mangoes, and bananas. It's something that she's always loved, and I will be boiling the sweet potatoes for about 15 minutes. And the water that I will be using, I will be adding that to the mix. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in this steamer colander. I do not fill the pot all the way up. I fill it about where the legs are at, because I'm not physically boiling anything besides the water, and I don't need a lot in it. So after about 15 minutes of boiling the sweet potatoes, this is the consistency that I personally like. If you want to go longer, you can. It's just, once again, my preference. I'm going to go ahead and add the sweet potatoes into the blender. And I'm going to add the bananas. Then I will grab the mangoes to add it into the blender as well. And once again, I'm going to use the water from the sweet potatoes. It's up to you if you would like to use breast milk into this mixture, or if your child is formula fed, you could use formula. It's whatever you prefer. But once again, I'm going to go ahead and grab the water. I'm going to use a little bit of this water. I don't want a lot to this mixture to make it watery. And that's about it. I will blend it for about a good 30 seconds on high speed. I will then come back and check that to see if this is the consistency that I like. If it's not, you can always throw it back on there. And yeah, this is the consistency that I like for my baby food. If you don't like that consistency, you can always throw it on there for maybe another 10 seconds to see what you get from it. I'm going to go ahead and pour it into the suction bowl, and this is what you get. This literally probably took me about 20 minutes, and this is really it. It's something so simple and something that I truly enjoy doing.